Hi, this is Misha from Citizenserve. Today, I'm going to walk through how to create a permit. We'll start on Ellie's dashboard. As we move through today's training, your application will look a little different than what you see on my screen because each application is built with custom fields specifically for your jurisdiction. So let's get started. First, we'll find the Create File menu. It's located in the navigation pane on the left. Let's expand the menu. Here's another place your view might look different than mine. You'll only see the file types you have permission to create. Let's select Permit Project. We'll give our project a name. When I tab to the Property Address field, I can enter either the full or a partial address. I want 990 Fresno, but here's what happens when I type in a partial address and click Search. By entering 9 Fres, it pulls up anything that matches that search criteria. I just scroll and select the address that I want. The File Information section is located underneath the collapsible header. This feature is driven by the Show Hide Details eye in the upper right corner of the application. This feature has memory. The next file you create will have the same setting applied. To hide the File Information section, just click the icon. I'll keep it displayed so you can see the property ownership data pulled in from the property database. We can pick our permit type, our subtype, and once you select the subtype, the Create Route modal displays. Anything with a checkbox can be unchecked. For instance, I'll remove this application intake step since we're doing the intake right now. When I save the route, it gets added to the Reviews tab. Now let's add an applicant to the project. The property owner data is pulled in from the parcel database, but we can also add an additional applicant. In our system, we don't want to create additional or duplicate contacts, so first the system will ask you to search. I'll put in my information and will pull me in as the contact on this file. Now we have an applicant listed. Let's set the status to Under Review. And now our application questions display. Remember, your questions will look different based on the custom fields that were used to create your application. So let's start answering these questions. No, there will be no swimming pool. I won't bother entering anything in the draw field. When I'm finished with this section, I can use the collapsible header. The next field type is called a cut field. It's a custom table within a table, and it's a way to gather information about multiple unknown quantity of data elements. My occupancy type is residential. When I type R a few times, I get the value I want. Same thing when I tab to construction type and type a V. I can tab and enter square footage and cost. And then if I tab, I get a new row and I can enter information for my shed. Now I've just tabbed and it's added an extra row. I can delete it if I want, but leaving it doesn't cause any issues. So let's add an additional contractor. We can integrate with your contractor licensing. In this field, when I type Smith, it pulls up a list of all active licensed contractors. I'll pick Smith Brothers. But we can also integrate with your registered contractors. That's how this subcontractor field is set up. When I type Smith here, I see both Sam Smith and Smith Brothers Construction. I'll pick Sam Smith as my subcontractor. And here I can collapse these gray headers to pull additional questions into view, but you can always just scroll down to see the rest of the form. And now let's upload our submittal documents. Let's just select Browse this PC for a site plan and a landscape plan. Don't forget to save your changes, which will create your new permit file. And that's how you enter a permit in Citizenserve. Your next step may be to attend a live training session, but if you need additional training, please contact support and we'll get your training session scheduled.